Prague Astronomical Clock, or Orloj, is a medieval masterpiece located on the southern wall of the Old Town Hall in Prague, Czech Republic. Installed in 1410, it is the world's third oldest astronomical clock and the oldest still in operation. The clock was crafted by Mikuláš of Kadaň, a clockmaker, and Jan Schindel, a professor at Charles University. Later, in 1490, master clockmaker Jan Růže, known as Hanuš, enhanced it by adding the calendar dial and Gothic sculptures. The Orloj is a complex device with three main components: the astronomical dial, the calendar dial, and the moving figures. Astronomical dial. This part shows the positions of the sun and moon, the zodiacal ring, old Czech time, and celestial movements centered around a depiction of the Earth. The dial reflects the medieval European understanding of the universe with Earth at the center. The outer blue circle represents the daytime sky, while the black circle symbolizes the night. The zodiacal ring rotates around the dial, showing the current zodiac sign. Golden figures of the sun and moon move to indicate their positions in the sky. Calendar dial, added in the 15th century and redesigned by Josef Manes in the 19th century, this dial functions as a perpetual calendar. It consists of 12 medallions, each representing a month, adorned with images of rural life. The dial also displays the names of saints associated with each day, following the Catholic liturgical calendar. Moving figures. Every hour, figures of the 12 apostles appear in the two windows above the clock face. Additional figures include a skeleton representing death, vanity admiring itself in a mirror, greed as a Jewish moneylender, and the Turk symbolizing pleasure. These figures, moving hourly from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m., serve as reminders of medieval moral lessons and the transient nature of life. The Orloj is not just a timepiece, but a symbol of Prague's medieval prosperity, scientific advancement, and artistic achievements. It has played a central role in the city's history, serving as a source of pride for its citizens. The clock also attracted visitors from afar, demonstrating Prague's advanced knowledge of astronomy and mechanics. Legends surrounding the clock add to its mystique. One famous tale is that of the clockmaker Hanuš, who was supposedly blinded by the city council to prevent him from replicating his masterpiece elsewhere. Although this story is apocryphal, it reflects the deep connection the people of Prague have with the Orloj. Today, the Prague Astronomical Clock is one of the city's most popular tourist attractions, drawing millions of visitors annually. It has undergone numerous restorations to maintain its functionality and appearance, the most recent major one being in 2018. This restoration aimed to return the clock to its original medieval look, while ensuring that it continues to function accurately. The clock is still wound by hand, as it was in the Middle Ages, and the astronomical dial continues to provide precise information about the positions of the sun and moon. Despite the challenges of maintaining such an ancient and intricate mechanism, the Orloj remains in excellent condition. The Orloj is more than just a clock. It is a cultural icon that represents the continuity of Prague's history. Its design reflects the blend of art, science, and religion in medieval Europe, symbolizing the city's rich cultural heritage. The clock has survived wars, natural disasters, and the passage of time, remaining a beloved symbol of Prague. In the modern era, the Orloj also serves as a symbol of the resilience of the Czech people, who have preserved their cultural heritage through periods of political upheaval and social change. It has inspired countless works of art, literature, and film, and continues to be a timeless testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you soon.